Imagine biting into a traditional beef lasagna so rich, cheesy, and packed with flavor, it melts in your mouth. But wait, are you making these common mistakes? Don't worry, I've got you. Want to level up your lasagna game? Grab 20 free lasagna recipes at chefcrown.com/lasagna. All right, let's get started. You'll need ground beef lasagna noodles, tomato sauce, ricotta, mozzarella, parmesan, garlic, and a few seasonings. First, chop up some fresh garlic and onions. These will take the flavor to the next level. In a hot pan, brown your ground beef until it's rich and caramelized. No sad gray beef here. Now add your tomato sauce, some basil, oregano, salt, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Look at that! Deep, rich flavor locked in. This sauce is everything! Meanwhile, cook your lasagna noodles, al dente people, no mushy pasta here. Mix ricotta, an egg, and some parmesan for that creamy, dreamy texture. Now time to build. Start with a layer of our rich beef sauce at the bottom. Then, lay down those noodles like a cozy little blanket. Next, spread on that creamy ricotta mix. This is where the magic happens. By the way, if you love this recipe, I've got 20 more free for you at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Now, let's get cheesy. Mozzarella and parmesan, don't be shy with it. Repeat until your dish is full, ending with a final blanket of cheese on top. Bake at 375 degrees for 40 minutes. The hardest part? Waiting. But trust me, it's worth it. Look at that! Bubbly, golden, and smelling absolutely insane. Hot, fresh, and ready to devour. Now this is what a real traditional beef lasagna should look like. The layers, the flavor, the cheese, it's perfect. All right, now it's your turn to make this. Tell me, what's your favorite way to make lasagna? Let's talk in the comments. And hey, if you want 20 more amazing lasagna recipes, grab them free at chefcrown.com/lasagna. Don't miss out.